Have you always wanted to see your water damage company rank on Google Maps 3-pack, but never made it? Always wanted to be on page 1 of a search engine, and didn't quite get there? Want more leads, appointments, and a full schedule, and don't know how, without having to spend a ton on advertising? Well, now you can enjoy all of this, painlessly, by being optimized for near-me search. So, what is a near-me search, and how do you successfully rank your water damage company in the near-me search? Near-me search is what is growing, at a whopping 500%. Near-me search is something you've used many times, and the whole world is now doing near-me search. When you are somewhere outside, and you are looking for something like sushi near me, or a hardware store near me, you did just what billions around the world are starting to do now, that is, a near-me search. How does this information help you, as a business owner? When you ace this strategy, you will be found by myriads of online searchers, looking for your specific services, at a time they most need you. Now, that's money in the bank. Just when they need you the most, you show up, magically, like a quick answer to their prayer. How does it translate to revenue? Some of our clients have increased their calls by 300%. Can it happen for you? We'd sure like to see you promoting your water damage company in easier ways like this, even if you have been paying through your nose for ads, or stopped, as you found out it was way out of range to keep up with. The best part is, you won't be paying for ads at all with this strategy, unlike with PPC ads, where a large portion of your income is going into advertising. See how some other water damage companies increased their reach by several-fold. Connect with us at nearmesearchusa.com, or just reply near me, so I can share with you how you can achieve more water damage jobs at less cost.